Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, I'm going to show you steps how you can make money by copying master trade on octafx. It's very simple. So before we step to that, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification for more videos like this. Okay, if you are new here, do subscribe. Don't forget subscribe and share to your friends, please, for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Okay, let's jump to the video. Now you go to Google and search for octafx.com. After that, you have to register. So you register. If you register, but me, I have account. After register, they will show you registration. You have account. After showing you registration, so you log in to your account. Then I'm not a robot. Then sign in. So it's very simple. This is the platform. So here, this is my account. So this is it. Here, this is rate. This is the master. All this one is the master trader. The top master traders in the last 3 months is these people you're seeing here. So you come to copy area. Copy area is your account. It's your own account. So you can see I have $00. I have $00. Sorry, I have $00 in my account. So you come to this rate. You will see most of. If you want to invest, there's most of us, you made a mistake. If you want to invest with any of them in 3 months, then you click 3 months. This 3M is 3 months. If you want 1 month, you click 1M, that's 1 month. You will see people that do invest, trade with people with 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Like this one, 2 week. These masters are masters that can trade with you in 2 weeks. All these people here. So what good about this platform? What good is about this platform is this. Now this man here, in last 2 weeks he made $31 and $0 loss. He don't lost any money. This is his profit. Let's check it out. This man here, so see his work, see his performance. He made a profit of $424 and he lost 68.4 cents. So this guy is probably doing well. See, is going high. The performance is good. So there are a lot. Secondly, see this one. What you need to check is someone that's doing well. If you want to invest in 3 months, you can probably go to the 3 months. So this guy here, from made $424 and he lose within 3 months. He lose $68. So and his commission is 17%. I think this commission is when you invest your profit, he will come. Any profit he made for you, his own commission will be 17%. Okay, sorry. So like this guy, his commission is 17%, as I was saying. So the people that are copying him, people are copying him 11,245 people. So I think this guy is doing well, So that is why people are copying him like that. So somebody like that. And this one, in the last 3 months, he made $362.9. Then he lose only $5.85. So his commission 30 commission. So people that is copying him is now 120 people. So this is things you need to know and check. Anybody that you want to copy, then go to the person performance, check it very well before you start copy. You can see minimum investment. This guy is $25. These are those things that you need to know. Minimum of investment, minimum amount you can invest to this guy platform is that. So when you see his performance is moving, the performance is very well. So this is it. This is his trade all his trade, you know, all his trade is this is doing well. So we have a lot here. Can check, go down and check. Like this woman from India, he made 179 in last 3 months and lose $37.3. So his commission is 30%. 39 people are copying her. So there are a lot. If you still want to see more, you click and see more. So we have a lot of master traders here. So there are a lot. This one, he made 175 and lose 52. So now I don't have, but before I copy any person, I have to deposit. So sorry for the interruption. Okay, so I was saying, if you want to continue, like you want to copy any of them, where you want to, like, let me say I want to copy, let me look for someone to copy. Let me say I want to copy this guy here. Minimum investment is $25, and it's a hey, risk secure, and okay. If I want to copy this guy now, I click on start copy. You can see they said add money to start copying. So I don't have money on my account. So if I want to deposit, you can see I can deposit with my Nigeria local bank. Sorry, I'm from Nigeria, that's why you can see Nigeria. From any country that you're from, you can see they will show you option, your bank, your local bank. You can deposit with your local bank, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, MasterCard, different Visa. You can see all of them here. You can use any of them. So basically, I don't want to deposit. Okay, basically I just want to show you how it works. It's very simple. Like, for example, if I want to deposit my Bitcoin, you can see I'll press proceed. After pressing proceed, this is the address they want me to deposit the money to. So I will click here, which is copy. I've copied now the address. Now then I will copy it and go to your cryptocurrency wallet and do the transaction. So it will take like some minutes to reflect on your account, or you can use your ATM, okay, or you can use Visa, Master, any of these guys. So that is it, guys. That is it for now. Yeah, so after that, after a deposit, you come to copy area. When you come to copy area, you will see your deposit. When it reflects, you will see it. You will see how much you see it. After you see the amount you deposit, after that you see the amount here. But when you copy, after copying your master, you come to your copy area. You see when the person is doing well. If you have any profit, you see your profit. Sorry, if you come to master area, when after you copy your master, so somebody you like, somebody you want to trade with, after copying him, you come to here, you see profit. After copying the person, after copying any of these masters, you see here, after copying them, then you will be checking the guy performance. You'll be checking your wallet, checking the performance. Okay, you come to your copy area and check if you have any profit, any gain, anything. If the performance is not moving well, can equally stop it. Stop the market. For you to no loss. So like this guy, after starting copying him, you see the guy performance, the way the market like this, you will be seeing it. You will see what he been doing for you. If you need to stop it, you stop. So that is just it. It's very simple. Okay, or if you want to go to master area, this master area, you need to verify your, but I don't really need this master area. I don't need it. So this one is if you want to become master trader on your own, you can do this, you verify and open account, or you equally go to open demo account and go for training. But I don't need this. What I really need, the really thing that we need, like the easiest way to be making money here is just to rate master, just copy any master trader. So that is the only thing. So thank you guys for watching. Okay, if you are here for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the post notification. Don't forget, turn on the post notification for more videos like this. What will happen when you do this is just that whenever I do a video like this, you'll be the first on so-called to get notified. Okay, so in this channel I show people how to make real money online. Okay, and I teach tutorials video. I do many tutorial video for people to see as learn a lot how to make money and how to do different things. Okay, please do subscribe to this channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much. See you next Friday.